To understand distance and displacement, we take some more examples. As you are seeing in the figure, a person moves A to B and to C as shown in figure. In this case, the distance is AB plus B to C. Distance is nothing but the total length of the path what he travelled. Now this is equal to 8 plus 6, this is equal to 14 meter. And the displacement, this is nothing but the shortest distance between initial and final positions, that is 10 meter. And we take another example. A particle starts at A and reaches to B moving in a circular path of radius 7 meter as you are seeing in the figure. Then the distance is nothing but the length of this path, which is equal to pi into r. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 7. R is the radius and pi is the constant. And this is equal to 22 meter. And the displacement is the shortest distance between these 2 points, which is nothing but r plus r, that is 2r, 7 plus 7, 14 meter. In the same problem, if the particle comes to A, then the distance is nothing but the length of this circular path. This is equal to 2 pi r. This is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. This is equal to 44 meter. And the displacement is 0. Why? Because initial and final points are the same. Therefore, the displacement is 0. And we take another example. A person walks 20 meter towards east, then 20 meter towards north, then 20 meter towards west. That means he is starting at A. He walks A to B 20 meter. This is towards east, and 20 meter towards north, that is B to C, and 20 meter towards west, that is C to D. In this case, the distance is nothing but AB plus BC plus CD. This is equal to 20 plus 20 plus 20, and this is equal to 60 meter. And the displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between these 2 points. This is initial and this is final. The shortest distance between A and D, this is displacement, which is equal to 20 meter. In all above examples, what we are observing? Always distance is greater compared to displacement. Either you take the first example. In this, the distance is 14 meter and the displacement is 10 meter. And in second example, the distance is 22 meter and the displacement is 14 meter. And in third example, the distance is 44 meter and the displacement is 0. And in fourth example, the distance is 60 meter and the displacement is 20 meter. That is, distance is always greater than displacement. Now my question is, when we take distance is equal to displacement, is it possible? We take one example. Suppose we consider a body moves from P to Q along a straight line. In this case, the distance is nothing but PQ. This is equal to 7 meter. And displacement is vector PQ. This is equal to 7 meter. In this case, what you are observing? The distance and displacement both are equal in magnitude. That means, when a body is moving along a straight path, the magnitude of distance is equal to magnitude of displacement. Both distance and displacement are equal in magnitude.